In this video, we will show you the installation of our glass door lock. Lock main part, secondary part, IC card, installation sheet, small tool, user manual, and quality certificate. For the main part installation, firstly, remove the screws of the back panel to open it. Fix the U-shaped fixture to the glass door. Please do not screw with excessive power. It might cause the fixture distortion. Stick the installation sheet to the U-shaped fixture and press it. Make sure the sheet adheres to the glass door properly. In some occasions, strong adhesive can be helpful to make the combination more firmly. Paint the adhesive on the glass door. Then stick the U-shaped sheet to it. Fix the back panel to the fixture. Tighten the screws in an up and down position to complete this part installation. In secondary part installation, remove the back panel and open the part. Fix the fixture to the glass door. Make it at the same height level as main part. Stick the installation sheet to the fixture. Attach the back panel. Screw the screws in up and down position to complete the installation.